Vacation is officially starting. Vacation has officially started here in Miami. Alright, so this is the line for customs. You're gonna be waiting here a minute when you get to Montego's airport. We have made it to Jamaica. They have a bar right when you come outside, when you're waiting for your transportation. So we're about to start vacation, right? This is how they get you while you're waiting. You get one of these big ass drinks and you wait for your shuttle. But the strawberry is really good. Okay, we have arrived at the Breathless, and this is the view from right from the door. But let me just show you guys what this room looks like. So you scan in, you walk in. Look at this. This is the shower with a rain head, shower head. Look how huge it is. Bed, and everything is controlled by touchpad. So if I open this is where if you ordered any room service, they put it right here. So from the outside they put it in and you grab it, so that way you have less contact with people. This is a king size bed. It's pretty big. TV, little sitting area, and then let me show you guys my favorite part. So if I press this, all of a sudden the curtains start to open. And let me show you what the outside looks like. I think every suite here comes with a view similar to this, but there's a little lounging area. And then there's a whole jacuzzi tub out there. So you could literally come, take a bath, or like, you know, a nice little jacuzzi hot tub, and then you get to like look out into this. How amazing is this? Looks like some of the first floor suites have their own little private windy, I would say like swim up pool. Look at this. The remotes come in this plastic to tell you that they've been sanitized. Literally you have to like tear it open. So like I said, everything feels very safe. Let's press the heart. Ooh, it's like mood lighting. I'm sure that'll be really nice at nighttime. We've been in the room 5 minutes and I love it. Look at this view. This is the Breathless Montego Bay, Jamaica. This resort is beautiful. So when you come in from the lobby, they have these fire pits, pool, another like swim up pool with a bar over there. There's a restaurant over there. And then if you walk this way, there's like tons of cabanas. And right now they have like a live show going on. We've been here like in the hotel of maybe an hour. This is my 3rd drink, so cheers. So Pat heard that KFC was better here because they use like chickens native to Jamaica and they season it longer. Let me tell you, it actually is better.
Better.
What's your review?
This was a thigh.
It was barbecue, right?
This was a barbecue thigh. But both of them taste good.
Alright, we're starting our Jamaican food tour. We're doing a seafood tour. Shout out to Mark Wayne for this. So we made a stop. We're about to get some fresh crab right out the sea. I'll show a video where they're like roasting some right here. But so far so good. Look at these crabs. These just came out today, right?
This morning.
Wow.
I just put them on ice for me a little bit, but they're straight out of the sea this morning.
They're huge.
Huge claws.
Wow.
So.
That's our lunch for the day. We have a private chef today cooking us up some goodness. It smells good. The pepper shrimp. Okay, we are on a private tour. It's just Pat and I. We're at Pineapple Beach with our chef. Sponsored by Jamaica Food Tours. Got some pepper shrimp coming up. Mark Wayne's approved. Thank you, Mark. Look at this crab. This is a real king crab. Look at this blue water. We're just taking a little walk while the rest of the food is being made. He told us to go and just enjoy. So we're out by the pier and we're gonna make our way over there to the beach. I love Jamaica. Sauce for the fish? Escovitch. What is that, onions? Of course, Scotch bonnet.
Everything.
Alright, now we're gonna try this whole fried fish. Fresh octopus. It's grilled first.
Eat the table, grilled octopus.
And it's gonna be tossed in the escovitch sauce, right?
Escovitch sauce right after this. Put it right back on. After the char does, just a quick toss in the escovitch sauce to flavor it up. And then right to your plates after that.
Alright, so next the octopus.
That's special request. It's so, everything is so good. Alright, we're about to try the crab. You getting refill? The rum punch is still flowing. Thank you.
Cheers. Mark Wayne's impression.
I wish you guys could. I can't even describe how good. There's no butter, no like nothing, just the crab. This food was so good that there was nothing left. We ate it all. We went through every shell. Compliments to chef. Hip strip, did a little shopping, we found a casino. We did not win, but we are now at the thing we've been waiting for this whole time, which is the pork pit. Let me show you what this looks like. Alright, so we brought the food back to the hotel. This is the chicken, that's the pork, that's the sausage. We forgot to grab forks, so we're waiting for those to come up, but we also got some plantains.
Oh, those are so hot. Oh, it's good. You should try it.
Okay. Try your sausage. Is it that good?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we just finished pork pit. This was delicious. I had the chicken, the plantains, he had the sausage and the pork. What was your favorite?
The sausage.
Yeah, the sausage was really good, and then the chicken. So yeah, just, you know, go ahead, try it out. If you stop in the hip strip area before, which is like where you go and buy souvenirs, there's a lot of like clubs and bars if it was open during COVID. Just be, you know, it's one of the places that people just try to get you to come into their shops. We also told someone we were going to Pork Pit. They straight up lied, said they were closed today. Pork Pit's open like 7 days a week, so, you know, be cautious while you're over there, but it was good. We got some souvenirs. We found a random casino, and now we're gonna go enjoy the pool for our last day in Jamaica. So the thing I love while at all-inclusive resorts is you can really kind of pick how you want to spend your day. We were in the pool, I got hungry, so I'm here. But Pat is over there at the bar, swim-up bar, getting some more drinks. So, you know, pick how you want to live your life. I'll join him shortly. Okay, everyone, welcome to the Breathless. This is the view right when you walk in. Just want you to know they're taking care of everything. They have like your tour desk. You can get your COVID test here. Right after people come in, they are like sanitizing everything. So you literally always see people cleaning. This is like the main indoor bar. It's open pretty late. And then they also have a few restaurants back this way, some lounging. And this is kind of the board where they show you what's going on for the day. They've had lots of activities while we're going on here, from like acrobatic shows to tie-dye. So they've really kind of thought of everything. So when you come outside, you can see how beautiful it is. This is the main like pool area. As you can see, someone's cleaning over there. So here's one jacuzzi. And then as you walk through, you will see some cabanas, chairs. While we've been here, there's been people here, but like you could find a chair like at any point during the day. I know I've been to some resorts where it's kind of like you need to get up at 5 a.m. That hasn't been the case here, but that might be different when it's not COVID. So let me just show you how beautiful the pool is. So there's the pool in the back. There's a swim-up bar, and then in the back left, that's a restaurant. So yeah, I'll just show you guys the other area. You also have access to both Secrets St. James and Secrets Wild Orchard. They're right next to each other, but you can use all of their facilities, including the pools, jacuzzis, and food, spa services. So it's kind of like if you're staying at 3 resorts in one. Here you can see the rooms. They all have that jacuzzi tub I showed you. So it looks like this is where they would set up a DJ. You could have like a pool here. But yeah, welcome to the Breathless. It'll probably take your breath away. We are at the Montego Bay Airport, and I just wanted to let you guys know that when you're flying to America and from, you have to check in at the counter. So you have to show your negative test. So just know that you need to get there early. But when we bought our tickets, we got to upgrade to first class on our way back, and we get to skip the line. So let me just show you the difference. So here's us next in line at the priority. That line back there is all the people that have to wait to check in. So I'm not saying upgrade to first class, but if you do have the option for cheap, it might be worth it to kind of cut off having to wait hours. Obligatory, had to get a bottle of the Hennessy Pure White. Okay, hi everyone. So I'm sitting at the lounge in Montego Bay. So yeah, if you're gonna travel and you want to get a credit card, I would look at something that has travel benefits. Sometimes it's like club access, sometimes you get money back for flights. They can be a little bit more expensive, but depending on how much you travel, they can pay off. So for instance, this club right here, completely free to use. You can order as much food as you want, free alcohol. You can just kind of sit here while you're on the flight. Some of the lounges have showers. So instead of just, you know, like being hot in the airport, you come in here, wait for your stuff. It's very chill. So yeah, that's just my little tip of like, if you're traveling, look into that. But cheers. How was your trip?
It was great.
Favorite part?
Seafood tour.
Ooh, yeah,
Yes.
that crab.
That crab.
I'm still thinking about it.